And lastly, 2.4
Hi,
slash
I'm Alina,
5.8
and we're going to talk about
GPZ.
the drone that we're flying
Let's try it
over
again.
there with Mr. Sullivan.
We will now have some footages from the
2.4
drone
slash 5.8 GHz auto switching.
and information about the drone itself. The drone has sensors which let it pass the obstacles, enhanced APAS, and also active track 2.0.
In addition, the drone also has dolly zoom, enhanced HDR photo, low noise propellers, and the battery is maximum 31 minutes. The max speed the drone can go on is 72 kilometers per hour. Full HDR transmission up to 80 kilometers. 2.4 slash 5.8 GHz auto switching. That's it.
Signing off.